Well, good morning. It is like 5:45. We are at the boat dock. I don't know if you can hear or not. It is really windy out today. They're calling for up to 25-mile-an-hour wind. But it was the day we planned on going, so we're just gonna have to see what happens. We were the only car at the boat dock this morning, so pretty sure that's not the best sign in the world. But I don't know, it might be a little tougher today to find the fish, to deal with all the wind, but we're gonna get after it. So let's go. Got him. You got the net? I think it's foul hooked, but whatever. Oh no. It's a nice redfish. Yep. You want to bet money it's 17 inches? Yep. Come up here and steer real quick. Huh? I don't know. Followed it out a lot deeper than I thought it would.
It came out of the water. You got that on the right?
I am recording, yeah. Yeah. It's over here. It's down there. Got him. No, we're fine. Just get the net. Jack.
Saw the net. What the heck?
Words of wisdom from the water. Today was one of those weird days where all of a sudden all the fish were biting at the same time and then nothing. Like you couldn't even pay for a bite. And then it was just like broken hook after broken hook after broken hook. And it just seemed like it would never end. So what do you do in moments like that? I know when I was growing up, here's what we did. We went, we anchored, we ate lunch, and then we tried again later. See, sometimes we overlook rest and the value of rest in our life. But God gave us rest for a reason. In fact, when we look at the creation, it says that on the seventh day, God rested. It wasn't that he was tired and needed rest, but he wanted to give us a pattern of life. We work, and then we rest. So do you rest? Do you take time to get just wherever? For us, it's out here on the water. For you, it may be, I don't know, a theme park or something. Rest is very important. Make sure you do it. I can't get this close enough up in. You got it? Got it. It's another jack. Yeah.
No net.
No, I'm just trying to get us a little bit closer to the shore. Ooh, is that you? I knew there was something up there. That's a good snook. I'm going to. I'm trying to record you too, though. Huh? Snook? Told you. Don't try to bully him this time.
I wasn't trying to.
And don't get mad.
I'm sorry,
I understand that, but I mean, son. We have plenty of shoreline left. Yeah, I'll count that. I saw it. It was right. It was right there. No, I saw it. I knew there was something up there. You had to. That. Oh. I don't know, but it completely missed. Thank God he missed it. You got it? Yeah. Oh, crap. Come up front, 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 because I'm going to get my lure stuff. Where?
Right here on the left side.
You gotta play with drag, son.
Play with it?
You'll pop that. Go to the back. 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 What the hell? Where did my freaking egg? Yeah, where did my lure go now? There it is. I'm getting it. Is it? Hey, measure it, because there is a
Lamb for little kids.
no, there's a real big fish for these. Bring it here.
Oh, he's not. For him.
I forget what it is off the top of my head, but
Oh, mine's supposed to measure him. Look at that.
get out of the.
No, not big old, but no.
Where is it? Good job, buddy.
Decent size.
It is a good snook.
Big old no, not big old, but snook.
Good job, buddy.
Thank you. Decent snook.
It is a good snook.
So, we are now approaching the dock. It was an okay day. It wasn't our best day. We had a better time. We did better last time, right? We did a lot better last time. I got a snook and a catfish. What'd you get? Jacks. My dad got some jacks and a redfish. So, yeah, that was pretty cool. It rained sporadically. It would come and go. And then, what else? We had to re-rig like 4 different times. So, it was an interesting day to say the least.